Now, in Punjab, which is an election-bound state, the Congress party trying all that they possibly can to retain power. But Captain Amrinder Singh will not really let them have it that easy. Remember, he's already been meeting the top leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He's already launching and has plans for a new party as well. With all these permutations and combinations, where does the captain stand? Take a look. If it is going to be really that easy, even for the captain, with BJP may not be that excited in Punjab to have him in the fold. Manjeet Sehgal with this story.
Following his unceremonious exit from the Congress, Captain Amrinder Singh has launched his mission to conquer Punjab. As a first step, the former Chief Minister is making allies, even mending fences with those he crossed swords with in the past.
Captain Amrinder Singh ਇੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਨੇ.
Amrinder met BJP leader and Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar on Monday, leaving behind the acrimony over farmers' agitation.
हरियाणा को उन्होंने बहुत गलत चुन लिया है इस आंदोलन का, और इसमें पंजाब का हाथ है। पंजाब के पत्रकार मित्र बैठे हैं, इसमें पंजाब के सरकार के लोगों का हाथ है। वरना राज्यपाल जाकर के मुख्यमंत्री को इस प्रकार से लड्डू खिलाते हुए नहीं दिखता।
अगर किसी ने पंजाब तो जाना है दिल्ली और साड़ी राजधानी है, why can't we go? If my farmers want to go and protest there, they are willing to protest.
वो कह रहे हैं कि दूसरी साजिश रच रहे हैं, पंजाब जो साजिश रच रहा है हरियाणा। कॉन्स्पिरेसी तुसी रच कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा, ऐसा बड़े होशियार होंगे।
India Today has learnt the two leaders have decided to bury the hatchet. The meeting that lasted over 30 minutes was termed a courtesy meet by Captain. The patch-up doesn't come as a surprise. Haryana Home Minister Anil Vij had reached out to the captain earlier.
राष्ट्रवादी अमरिंदर सिंह जो कांग्रेस की इस गंदी साजिश में बाधा थे, उनका राजनीतिक तौर पर कत्ल कर दिया।
The political circles are abuzz with the new political developments in Punjab and Haryana.
कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ अलायंस करना है, तो उनको केंद्रीय नेतृत्व राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जेपी नड्डा जी, श्री अमित शाह जी, श्री मोदी जी के आगे अपनी बात रखनी होगी, उनसे संवाद करना होगा, बातचीत करनी होगी, और वहां फिर वो पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड में जाएगा और पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड हमारा निर्णय करेगा अलायंस करना है नहीं करना। तब तक पंजाब भाजपा 117 पर तैयारी कर।
While the Haryana unit of the BJP has warmed up to the captain, sources tell India Today that Punjab unit of the party is awaiting High Command's nod to come close to Amrinder. Amrinder has already announced he will fight the coming assembly elections in Punjab in alliance with the BJP. Captain is still waiting for clearance of his new party's symbol from the Election Commission. With Manjeet Sehgal, Bureau Report, India Today.
Manjeet Sehgal joins me live from Chandigarh. Manjeet, this is also an interesting point about how the BJP in Punjab will be slightly skeptical to have on board a man, a former chief minister, who they had been opposing all along.
Yes, indeed, Pooja. After the three contentious farm laws were repealed by the union government, now it is easy for the Bharatiya Janata Party to campaign in Punjab. Remember, there are over 1 crore Hindu voters in Punjab, and Bharatiya Janata Party is eyeing this huge vote bank. Captain Amrinder Singh has already announced that he wants to strike a seat-sharing deal with the Bharatiya Janata Party, but this will not be a cakewalk either for BJP or for Captain Amrinder Singh, who is eyeing the dissidents of all parties. Sources say that at least 24 Punjab Congress MLAs are likely to be denied tickets, and they may join Captain Amrinder Singh. This also includes 4 cabinet ministers who were removed from the cabinet by Charanjit Singh Channi. Besides Congress, Captain Amrinder Singh will also be eyeing the dissidents of other parties, be it Shiromani Akali Dal or be it the Aam Aadmi Party. So he's waiting for the right time, yes. And his Punjab Lok Congress will be a party of dissidents.
And also interestingly, Manjeet, how the captain is ensuring that he is approaching with issues and not looking very selfish in terms of meeting these BJP bigwigs and even Chief Minister of Haryana. Manjeet Sehgal with all the latest. Remember, there are going to be many such developments from Punjab.